Hello, here is the recording for your Week 2 quiz in U.S. History. Please make sure that as you are going through, if you need to pause the video in order to answer a question, that you do so. And if you have any questions as you're going along, please refer to your U.S. History teacher. Question number 1. What primarily motivated European nations to finance voyages of exploration in the 15th and 16th centuries? A desire for riches, knowledge, and power, a desire to spread democracy, the need for additional land, the need to educate Native Americans. Question 2. Choose all the options that correctly describe the impacts. The impacts could be positive and negative of the Columbian Exchange on the New World, the Americas, and the Old World, Europe. Notice you are selecting 3 answers. Exchange of food, crops, and animals resulted in the discovery of new plants that were used to cure the plague in Europe. Native people were enslaved and died in large numbers when exposed to illnesses from Europe. Growing economy for the Old World because the New World was used as an abundant source of raw materials and labor. Growing economy for the New World because Native American tribes took advantage of European explorers who did not know their resources and their value in the New World. Question 3. What happened to the English settlers of Roanoke Island? Nobody knows for sure. They died of starvation. They left Virginia and started a new settlement in the Caribbean. They were murdered by the Indians. Question 4. How did Captain John Smith restore order to the settlement of Jamestown? He provided the Native Americans with tobacco to help the economy. He established a decree that stated colonists who do not work will not eat. He decided which crops the colonists would grow and sell. He required the colonists to worship regularly. Question 5. Why was the Mayflower Compact important to the success of the Plymouth colony? It set up the process for organizing farming in the colony. It defined colonists' separation from King James I. It served as a basis for passing laws for the good of the colony. It became the basis for trade agreements with Holland. Question number 6. Thousands of English Puritans arrived in Massachusetts Bay during the Great Migration. Why were they coming to the colony? They came to get rich from the gold found in the Massachusetts Bay colony. They came to find jobs in the factories in the north. They fled from religious persecution in England. They left because of a shortage of food in England. Question 7. What geographical feature or features led to the New England economy to be based on fishing and sea trade? Fertile soil led to a surplus of resources. Cold climate prevented growing many cash crops, and long stretches of coastline made it easy to bring boats in and out of the region. Hot, dry climate made it difficult to grow food. Large plots of land encourage growth of cash crops to sell, such as tobacco. When you're finished, be sure to click Submit Quiz and then go into your gradebook and make sure that the grade has recorded. If you have any questions or concerns, please make sure that you reach out to your U.S. History teacher. Good luck!